Hello! Welcome back to Three Inquisitive Kids. Today, we'll be learning how to simplify fractions. First, what is simplifying fractions? Well, simplifying fractions basically mean taking a fraction and rewriting it in simplest form without changing the value of the fraction. To show you what I mean, let's look at a fraction here. 1/2. Now, this is already as simple as it can be, so let's go the other way and complicate both the top and bottom numbers by multiplying them by 4. Now we have the fraction 4/8. As you can see, both values of the fractions still remain the same, but we change the top and bottom fractions. Simplifying fractions means going the other way around and making a complicated fraction into a simpler form. Now, to help you understand better, let's look at the simplifying fractions procedure. First, we factor the top and bottom numbers. Then, we cancel common factors. Finally, we re-multiply leftovers. To know what more of this means, let's try simplify the fraction that we had earlier, 4/8. First, we factor the top and bottom numbers. What you do is you draw a line, and on top is where you write the factors of the top number, while on the bottom side is where you will write the factors of the bottom number. Now let's start factoring number 4. 4 can be factored out as 2 times 2. And 8 can be factored out as 2 times 2 times 2. Now, the procedure says to cancel common factors. What does that mean? Well, you know how if you multiply a number by 1, it doesn't change that number? And a whole fraction is equal to 1 whole? That's what we mean by canceling common factors. When you see pairs from the top and bottom, like 2's, you can cancel them out, like this. Remember, you can only cancel common factors in pairs. So that means there's still going to be 1 2 left on the bottom. Now what do we do? If you were able to cancel out all of the numbers on one side, be sure to put a 1 there instead of 0. So in this case, we're going to put a 1 on the top and leave the 2 on the bottom. There! Now we have 1/2. We simplified a fraction. Let's try an example. We will simplify the fraction 5/15. First, the procedure says that we factor out the numerator and the denominator. Since 5 is a prime number, it is factored out as 1 times 5 over 15 is equal to 3 times 5. Did you spot any common factors? I did. These two 5's can cancel out. Then we're left with the fraction 1/3 or 1/3. 5 over 15 is equal to 1/3. Let's try another example. 25 over 100. 25 can be written out as 5 times 5 over 100 can be written out as 5 times 5 times 2 times 2. The two 5's cancel out, which leaves us with 1 on the top and 2 times 2 on the bottom. Then we re-multiply the bottom numbers and we get 1/4 or 1/4. 25 over 100 is equal to 1/4. Let's do a third example. 84 over 108. Both 84 and 108 are multiples of 12. 84 is 12 times 7 and 108 is 12 times 9. Now we don't have to simplify all of them to the smallest factors. The 12's will cancel out and we'll be left with 7 over 9. 84 over 108 is equal to 7 over 9. Thanks for watching and see you till next time.